Hello friends, welcome to Vedic Mathematics Sutras. Build and strengthen maths concepts. Let's learn one more application of these fractions. This type of problems is quite common in exams as well as in life. Comparison, increase versus decrease, and more or less work this way. Let's learn with common example. You get 60 marks. Your neighbor Julie get 90 marks. After reaching home, first question, how many marks you scored? Then second question, how many marks Julie scored? Here starts comparison. You 60 marks, Julie 90 marks. Difference 30. From percentage point of view, there are two questions. First, by what percentage Julie marks more than you? More by 30. Then yours marks is 60. 30 by 60 is 50%. So here base is 60. In different way, second question, by what percentage your marks less than Julie? Less by 30, then Julie marks is 90. So here base is 90. 30 by 90 is 1 by 3. 33.33%. Difference of marks does not change, but by the way of expressing percentage is different according to base. So in exams, questions appear such as these. Julie get 50% marks more than you. By what percent your marks less than Julie? General way of doing, assume your marks 100, then Julie marks 100. Here 50% means for 100, 50. 100 plus 50 is 150. So answer is 50 by 150 is 33.33%. Easy way to do is, we already learned fractions. More means move to right side. More by 50% means 1 by 2 move right side, 1 by 3. 33.33%. So less by 33.33%. Let's do one more problem. Rakesh scored 16.66% more than Riya. By what percent Riya scored less than Rakesh? Answer is simple, don't even think. 16.66% means 1 by 6. So answer, Riya scored 1 by 7. Less means 14.28%. As simple as that. Here easy trick is, whenever questions say more, increase, move to right of table to find out less, decrease. If less, decrease given, move to left to find out more, increase. Let's do more problems, you will understand. Lee scored 20% less than Roy. Roy scored by what percent more than Lee? 20% means 1 by 5. So answer, Roy scored by 25% more than Lee. Peter is on a holiday trip. He stopped at a gasoline station to refill his car. He realized gasoline price increased by 12.5%. By what percent he should decrease his consumption as his budget is fixed? Here 12.5 means 1 by 8. 1 by 8 increased by 1 by 9. So 11.11% he should decrease his consumption as his budget is fixed. Rajan went to market with 1000 rupees to buy sugar for his hotel. But on reaching shop, he raised price of sugar increased by 20%. By how much percent by weight his sugar purchased decrease? 20% means 1 by 5. So price of increased 1 by 6. So 16.66% is decreased. Price of grains decreased by 16.66%. By what percent consumption can increase to fit to budget? 16.66% means 1 by 6. So price of grains decreased. So 20% consumption can increase to fit to budget. Let's do an important and lengthy concept in next video. So on your part, by heart fractions. Thank you.